2004 Mazda 3, 200 plus thousand miles on it. Otherwise than this, other than this noise, it is a good driver. Just replaced lower control arms, including the ball joint, and both axles. Control arms on both sides, lower control arms on both sides, axles on both sides. Drives smooth, but this sound has got me worried. This sound existed before I did the changes of parts, the control arms and the axles, and it hasn't changed. Mechanic is puzzled. He says it might be the transmission. The sound comes from each side just a fraction of a second differently. You know, left side before the right, or sometimes the right side before the left. And it sounds like, I mean, it can't be the axles because I've replaced them twice. So I can rule out the axles. There's no vibration, there's no play in the wheels, it's not the wheel bearings. And the car's not moving, so suspension for the most part is ruled out, I think. Tell me what you think.